What the chibi stars? I don't think so.
We gotta go faster. Everyone pad faster. We did it. We won. Saucer won the race. I knew you could do it, Saucer.
I can't believe it. How could I lose to that red rocket ship? Even when he had the hiccups.
Guess your ship wasn't fast enough. And, I'm so lucky to have great friends like the chibi stars to help me cure my hiccups away.
Unbelievable. You may have won this time, chibi stars. But you haven't seen the last of me.
Boy. What a hiccup sky racing day. I never would have won, or cured my hiccups without you and my friends. Thanks for helping cure my hiccups. And for helping me win the race. We're so glad you're on our team.
Chibi stars, mission completion. It's time for the curtain call. Let's give a hand, and hear it from the team. And rah for magenta.
Come on, take a bow. It's your turn now.
Let's hear a big hand for you. And here comes today's thumbnail and cruise music. Today's thumbnail is from Rescue Dive. And the music for the cruise is Hungarian Dance number 5 by your Hungs Proms. Boy, what a day this was. See you on the next mission. Boy. This has been such a great day. We cured Saucer's hiccups, we won the Great Sky race, and we stopped Nefaria once again. What a great race day. Thank you so much for all your help today. Now it's time for So Long. But we're gonna sing one more song.
Buck.
Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. You sure worked hard. When you use your mind, take a step at a time. You can do anything that you want to do.
Buck.
Bye bye, see you soon.